Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look right here. It's super bronzy, so that's what I like about it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. Alright, so once again, I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to go in with the light shade right here. So I'm going to go in this one right here on the crease. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just put that on the lower part. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. Keep it on the inner V. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a darker shade and put it on the outer, like on my lower lash line. I mean lower, yeah, not my lower lash line, just right here. I don't know, I can't talk. And then I'm gonna go in with an even darker shade. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I'm gonna blend it all out. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And a little slant. Where is that from? And I'm gonna go back in. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of red. I'm gonna put this one right here on the outer corner. So now I'm gonna go in with the face. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Vanilla. Put it all over, like always. Wearing my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Sand. Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder. Then I'm going to go in with this shade right here for my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D shade. I'm going to use my Shade Light Contour palette. If I can open it. Okay. Then I'm going to take this middle shade and go in. Owl palette with this shade right here. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge and go in with this shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a little nose contour with the same shade in the middle. And all I'm going to do is a little strokes. And then bring it into my eyelids, eyebrow, I don't know. But that section right there. Elongate. And then go on with the vanilla powder and just clean it up. That is not straight. I'm gonna go in with the brush. I'm gonna use the JH10. There we go. For blush, I want it to be this look to like be bronzed, so I'm gonna go in with this one right here. So these two. So the top is a shimmer. Oh, this is the 8W palette. Now we're gonna dust everything off and put some highlighter. No. With my Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and highlight. Alright, then I'm going to go in with my MAC Hark. This one's like glittery. I don't like it. Just kidding, we're going to go in with Half Calf. And then some mascara. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see how I got my braids or how I did my braids, then I'm going to go ahead and leave that video right here. You can go ahead and click on it, or it'll be in the description down below. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.